Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to the Quadency support video series where we're diving deep into different functionality and different bots on the Quadency dashboard. Today's video will be diving into the DMAC strategy, or commonly known as the dual moving average crossover strategy. This strategy uses buys when the short-term moving average crosses above long-term moving averages, and it sells when the defined exit condition is sort of met that we get to determine with this bot. But before we get into that, please make sure that you are signed up with the Quadency platform on quadency.com. Then once you are signed up and registered with Quadency, make sure that you have connected your exchanges to the Quadency platform where we can aggregate all the different exchanges for you. But once that has been done, please send some funds to your Quadency account, because these funds are used to execute and run these bots. So yeah, once you have that taken care of, you can already then join this tutorial and move along. So now let's get into the business with the DMAC bot strategy. So you're going to click on bots in the menu at the top, and you're going to then move your mouse over to available bots. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to your technical indicator strategies, and you're going to find the DMAC strategy. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to give it a nice name. This name, we're going to just do BTC DMAC. So once you have your name figured out, so then you can already move into your strategy. So you're going to select the exchange that you wish to use. I'm using Kraken, and then the account linked to that exchange, that's Kraken as well. And then you're going to select the market that you wish to do. And we have here BTC USDT. And then from here, we're going to select the amount of capital that we wish to use for the strategy. For this video, we're going to just be using 20 USDT. Now, once you have that all figured out, let's go into the strategy settings. So the strategy settings starts with your candle time frame. This is very crucial because the rest of the things are built upon this candle time frame. What's important to know is this will be the variable that they use for finding that moving average period and how many candlesticks that you wish to use for that. So if you want this bot to be very in the present and focusing on micro movements, you're going to be looking at something on the 1 minute to 15 minutes basis. Now, if you just have a play that you want to play out on for the long term, or just to see a move that potentially can happen and you want to make sure you execute on that move when the time happens, then you may want to set the 1 hour or 4 hour, or even daily. So for the sake of this video, we're going to select the 1 minute candle time frame. Then we're going to move over to the long moving average period, and the long moving average period specifically looks at has a look back period based upon the fast moving average. It's pretty self-explanatory with the name. We're going to then select, for this, we're just going to do 50 on this one. And then you're going to select your short moving average period, which is your slow moving average time frame. We're going to do something here such as 20. And then you're going to have your exit condition. There's two different variables that you can do with the exit condition. If you do the first option, your profit target or stop loss has been met, then the trade's going to be completed and you're going to move out of that trade. And you can set it here with your profit and risk management. So here you may want to do something as soon as 15% has been met, then move it. You can also always tune this to something like 250%. That's pretty crazy, mostly for meme coins. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research. But for this, we're just going to do 10% has been met. You always want to set a stop loss, and we're going to also do something along the lines of 7%. Yeah, so this is your profit and risk management to your exit condition, the first option of profit target or stop loss. And once those are met, can be done. If you want to just do indicator confirmation, so soon as the indicator has shifted where the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average, then your trade's going to be sold in that moment. So yeah, we're just going to hit start live, and we're going to hit the start live mode. And the bot should be up and running. You can always confirm that the bot is up and running with the status up here on the left hand side, and if you see the green little light, that means green is good and your trades are already being sent there. Well, actually your trades aren't being sent yet, it's just now observing the chart. You see here that the chart has loaded in, and it's now observing for the crossover. So you have your moving average with the variable where I set of 20, and then your other moving average of 50, and that's going to be trading within that range. So as soon as the moving average crosses back over, the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, then my buy order will execute. But you can see right here on this TA that right now the short-term MA is bouncing always off the long-term. Anyways, hope this tutorial helped you better understand this bot and helps you become a better trader and better understand the Quadency platform. So thank you very much for tuning in and being a member of the Quad Squad. So much success with your future trades, and if you have any questions, just reach out to support@quadency.com and we'll be glad to help you. Also, don't forget to check out our support catalog with many different support articles that will help you better understand our platform. Thank you very much.